Hey guys, welcome to Lake Stevens Auto Detailing. Today we've got this 2007 Chevy Avalanche, and we're just doing an exterior detail on there. And then this front right bumper, I'm trying to show there's some damage there and some scrapes and stuff. Somebody backed into this person and kind of scuffed up the bumper and stuff. So what we're going to be doing is exterior detail, and then we're just going to be kind of trying to polish out some of the scratches and scuffs on that right front bumper, and then that's about it. So it is pretty dirty. There's some mud splatter and stuff in the wheel wells. The rest of the paint was rolled and scratched. It could really have used a full paint polish, but they weren't up for that today, so we just do what the customer's paying. And yeah, I mean, the paint's not perfect. You can see there's dents, and some of the paint was peeling off. It looked like that front bumper had been repainted, so there was some definite defects going on and stuff. But the clear coat seemed like it was in okay shape. It wasn't peeling, or there was no failure of that sort, but there was a lot of swirls and scratches and stuff. And when we get to the end where I work on the front bumper, it's kind of hard to show on camera, but you should still be able to tell there's a intense clarity and gloss returning to the paint where I polish it. And I was so tempted to just polish the rest of the truck, but that would have taken hours I didn't have, and they weren't paying for it, so I was definitely not doing that. But anyway, you got some big old gangster wheels on here, so we're gonna scrub these up. I forget if these were 22s or 24s, but they're pretty big tires. I'm not a real big fan of giant wheels and smaller tires on trucks. I kind of like the all-terrain, almost mudder look, but to each their own. So we're gonna get this thing all scrubbed up and cleaned up, and then we'll work on the bumper, and we'll finish this up here pretty quickly. So it should be a quick little detail. This gas door area was pretty decrepit looking, and it was in the sun, so we were just spraying it off to kind of cool off the paint a little bit. And then we're going to get in there with our scrubber and just scrub everything out as best we can, get everything all cleaned up, and it'll be looking pretty much like brand new, because this thing was looking real nasty just a second ago, and it only takes about a minute to scrub it out real thoroughly, so we'll get it looking real nice and clean here. So if the sun wasn't blasting on this black paint, I would have just sprayed soap right on top of it, but I don't want to have any staining or any issues with that, so I'm going to cool off the entire truck with some water, get the panel kind of cooled down a little bit, and then we'll go ahead and soap the whole vehicle down here and work it. And I'm curious for you guys that detail either your own vehicles or professionally, what kind of foam cannon do you like using? I like my MTM. Personally, it works pretty good, and it's been reliable as long as I am maintaining it well, so haven't had any issues really. Let me know in the comments below what you guys prefer using for your foam cannon solution.
speed to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The glass so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. The moonlight, summer sky, it was the best we ever had. And we'll stay young forever. We'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop.